Hi, my name is Lynn Glatt. I'm a Senior Dynamics Consultant with Turnkey Technologies. Welcome to our continuing series, Keys to Success with Business Central. Turnkey is proud to demonstrate some of the latest features in Business Central 2019 October release Wave 2. In today's agenda, we're going to explore three things. First is the Role Explorer, or the menu button that's been added to our Role Tailor client view. Second is the ability to now multitask across multiple pages. And third is a list view that you can save to your personal homepage. First up, the Role Explorer. While you're on the main Role Tailor client view, the top right now has a menu button, and when you select it, it takes you to a new screen, and it is the Role Explorer. The Role Explorer displays all the pages that a user's profile has given them access to and categorizes them for their convenience. If the user is interested in the Explore All button at the top, it is very similar to the Departments button in NAV. By selecting that, Explore All, a full menu of all areas in the system will be displayed and all of their submenus. Access is granted according to the user profile and security clearance. To get back to the main Role Center, double-click the company name to switch back to a traditional Role Tailor client view. The second key is multitasking. This multitasking feature, many users have submitted requests for this feature to be made available for a long time, and Microsoft's finally listened. And knowing that in today's work environment, users are continually multitasking from one screen to another. This feature now allows the user to have multiple pages open and be able to update one of the pages, and all of the pages will instantly sync and be updated. To kind of show this feature, let's go into vendors, and we'll pick American Wood Exports, and I'll select the vendor card. And once this is here, what we'll do is we'll go up here and pick a purchase order. And in this list, what we'll do is we'll click this new button that's been made available, open this page into a new window. This allows you to continue to work. And what we're going to do then is pick this purchase order. And what we're going to do is release it and post it. And in doing so, we're going to see the balances and the outstanding orders change on these screens. So I'm going to do a receive and an invoice. When I select OK, the system's going to process. And so I can see that now I have a posted purchase invoice screen that I'm at. And when I close this, you can see that the system has updated the balance and there's no longer open orders available. And when I get back to this main page, this has been updated, which was the vendor card. and you can see that this has also been updated. Okay. The third key in today's keys to success with Business Central is we're going to look at the Role client and see your personal views that are saved across this header here. And we're going to add one. So I'm going to go to an item page, and I'm going to type in item and look for the item list page. And in doing so, I'm going to click what is now an add bookmark so that it will add this to your Role Center. So this has been added to your navigation pane in your Role Center. And you can see that now the items list is available to you from your main homepage. If you want to get rid of that, you can click on it and uncheck the bookmark. And then when you go back to your home page, it's been removed.